this 2024 Peterbilt, we install our air ride kit. It came with bags from factory. We wanted to be able to go up and down. So how you guys can see, we are already finished installing. So it's a pretty simple kit. It's just gonna be one bag, two chucks, and one solenoid. You'll be able to put it up and down, and you'll be able to get an air pressure read on the gauge that we also added on the dash. Okay, so we just finished this beautiful 389. Everything came out perfect. We just finished installing these 20-inch meter box and a bumper. We also added a tack box. So you guys can see, we didn't open no screws. Pretty much it's a box that is inside the bumper. Air ride is already finished. Look how all that's sitting. And then the interior came out beautiful. So check it out and leave a comment of what you guys think.